We know from the definition of a relation that no two tuples in the relation may be identical. This means that in a database table, no two rows may be identical. To assure us that we're dealing with a valid table, we must be able to guarantee that no two rows in the table are identical. We can do this by including in the table a column for which every entry is guaranteed to be unique, or by including some combination of columns that collectively are guaranteed to be unique. Let's consider an example. Suppose you have been tasked with tracking the locations of the employees of the Acme Spacecraft Company. Acme, located in Huntington Beach, California, manufactures rockets in Building 1, tests them at the nearby Armstrong Test Range, and launches them from the nearby Cape Huntington launch site. Manufacturing employees work in Building 1, testing employees work at the Armstrong Range, and launch teams work at Cape Huntington. The table shown here represents the data you have about employees and their locations. This table tells us who Acme's employees are and where they work, and there are no duplicate rows. Great! However, there is a potential problem. Right now, there aren't many rows in the table. What if more people are hired? It's possible that, for example, another person named John Smith might be hired as a test engineer. If so, adding him to the table would cause a violation of the definition of a relation. One way to deal with this problem is to add a column to the table whose entries are guaranteed to be unique. We can do this by giving the first row in the table the number 1 and then incrementing that number every time we add a new row. That new column serves as the key of the table. A field that uniquely identifies a row in a table is called a primary key. This is to distinguish it from a foreign key, which does not uniquely identify a row in a table. I'll cover foreign keys in the intermediate SQL course that follows this one. Tables that satisfy all the requirements of the definition of a relation can be very useful. However, problems can arise that could corrupt the data in such tables. In the next segment on modification anomalies, we'll discuss these problems and how to avoid them.